My entry into astronomy was purely by chance. I never set out to be an astronomer or even a scientist, but when I was in college, I had an elective course to take, and astronomy was one of the electives, and it looked like fun. So I said, okay, I'll take that course. And I remember when I walked into the class, there were only 3 other people in the room. 2 of them were male graduate students, and one of them was a senior, and me, a sophomore girl. And I remember going to the professor and saying, I don't think that I belong in this class. He said, no, no, this is for you. I want this class to be for sophomores, stay in the class. And a few weeks went by, and I was really struggling in college, and it was clear to me I had to drop a course. And I was either going to drop my astronomy course or drop my history course. I went into the professor and I said, I think I need to drop your class because I need to drop one class and I don't have any data yet for my project and blah, blah, blah. He said, look, let's go out to our observatory tonight, a little observatory, and see if you can get some data. And if you do, then you can write your project, it'll be fine. And he says, in retrospect, thank goodness it was clear that night because I did get my data and I stayed in the astronomy course and dropped my history course and there was no going back, from there. What I like to do is use equipment, and the bigger the better. I love to be looking into space and being the first person to see something. It's like being an explorer, but not having to leave the surface of the earth or travel across an ocean. And yet some of the things that you see, you're the only person in the world who's ever seen that. It's a really exciting feeling to be an explorer and to be able to bring that information back and share it with people. I just love that thrill, that excitement to be right on the edge of something.